Hi guys, it's Aja. I'm coming to you today with a tutorial on how to apply your false eyelashes. Okay, so some of the things that you may need are a lash curler, eyeliner. You can have liquid or pencil. Liquid might be a little bit better for this. Glue. I use the Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive Black by iEnvy. Well, iEnvy by Kiss. This is what it looks like. And it's a brush. I prefer the brush because I can control how much is going onto the lash strip. Then you're gonna need tweezers. I like these tweezers because you can hold right there. You can control what's going on. Some people call them like beginner tweezers, or if you become more advanced or you get used to it over time, you can use regular tweezers, or I've seen people even put them on perfectly with just their fingers, but these are the ones that I like. Small scissors, your PulchriParlor Parlor lashes, and then your eyes, obviously. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get your lashes. These are Sweet Dreams by PulchriParlorBabe. So this is from my lash line. Okay, so to determine what is the inner corner and outer corner, the lashes will be a lot shorter on one side of the lash. So what I do to see, I place my tweezers right in the middle, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I say this corner is a lot shorter, it's thinner, it just looks like it belongs on the right eye. So I'm gonna put that there, and then the other one is obviously gonna go on the left eye. So now that we've got that determined, which lash is going on which side, you want to keep it on your tweezer. I placed mine right in the middle just like that, and measure it to your eye. Now what I like to do is start right about there. You don't want to go all the way in because it will get a little irritating. Start right about there and measure it. Just sit it on, see if they're long enough or what's going on. If it's too long, that's where your scissors come into hand, and you just cut just a little snippet. Like I said, I've worn these already, so they're perfect. There was just a little end that could come off. Sometimes lashes do have that, a little extended end with no hair there. You can just cut that right off. So now that we've got them measured, you want to get our glue. Again, it's iEnvy by Kiss Super Hold Eyelash Adhesive Black. I use black because I mess up sometimes and I could easily just put eyeliner over it. So let me get that together, and you want to brush the glue right on to the strip. I do a little on the top and a little on the back, if you can see. It's a bit of a different color, but it dries black. And I let that dry for just a few seconds before you place it. You want to get it a little tacky so that when you're placing it, it'll help. Now, what did you need the eyelash curler for? If you have straight lashes, I suggest you curl just a little bit so that they will blend in with your lash. So, and most of us know how to use these. I don't have much lashes, but you just curl for a few seconds, hold it, and it'll curl your lashes just for a few seconds. Okay, now by that time you're curling it, you got everything together, your glue should be a little sticky. Now, a lot of people do this a bunch of different ways. Some people hold, like, this is not a handheld mirror, but some people hold a handheld mirror and do it from the bottom. I like to look straight ahead. So I can tell you guys to look from the bottom. People just basically go like that. Obviously this is not a mirror, so I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it straight, looking straight ahead. Now sometimes, depending on what lash it is, I'll either place the outer or the middle corner first. So I'm gonna the middle first. So I'm gonna place the middle, and notice how I'm holding the lash up a little. And you see how I can just take it off and it's still sticking because it's tacky. That's good. Or you can go from the middle in place. And then if you don't get it perfect with your tweezers, that's where your fingers come into play. And boom. Okay, so now that you got that, go back in with your finger and kind of smush your lash and your falsie together. Make it look natural. Sometimes I don't always get that inner corner in there, and that's why I like this brush, because then you can just go in and put a little dab there, and you know, if you're working too slow and it dries up, just put a little dab there and go. So this is a lash, and I can show you guys right now how I just be very careful, but this is why I love the brush, because I could just add a little bit and bam, hold it there for a few seconds and you're good. So that's how we do that. Okay, so this is just a quick video showing you guys how I applied the second lash. I just made it very quickly because you just repeat the same steps on each eye. And then here's a picture coming. That is the after look. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.